Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have a warm and humid morning to start today with partly cloudy skies. Temperature sitting around 86 at the moment with some westerly winds around 7 to 10 knots. We do have a heat advisory in effect from 11 to 1700 local time, or 11 to 5 p.m. as we do expect those heat indices to get above 100 degrees, around 100 to 105 degrees is the range we're expecting. So a hot and humid day ahead of us today. Take a look at the current surface analysis. We see clear on radar in our region with some showers off to the west. We have this first boundary that will be moving into our area this evening into the overnight hours. It's a fairly weak boundary, but will bring us a chance of seeing a few showers or storms push through, and then we'll see things clear out before that second boundary will move into the area tomorrow evening, bringing us a better chance of seeing some showers and storms for Friday evening. Looking at the upper level winds from this morning's balloon sounding, we have pretty much southwesterly to westerly winds up through the column with a peak wind at 20,000 feet of 39 knots. And the freezing level is at 14,700 feet. If we look at the current visible satellite, we do see lots of cloud material off to the west associated with those showers and out ahead of that boundary. Otherwise, winds out of the southwest across the region at the moment with just some partly cloudy skies pushing through. We'll see those clouds start to build into our area as we go later in the day, but at the moment, fairly nice conditions with the exception of the heat and humidity. Looking at the short-term high-resolution model to see how things play out for today. As we go throughout the day, we'll expect some of those clouds to build in, and we'll have a slight chance of seeing a few pop-up showers or very isolated showers moving through the area, but not really expecting much activity until we get past the 17 or 5 p.m. local time hour, where we'll see some isolated to scattered showers push through the area out ahead and along that boundary, bringing us a slight chance of seeing one of those showers or thunderstorms impacting the Wallops area. Those should push out of here as we get past the midnight hour, and we should see skies clear up a bit as we go into our Friday morning. Friday morning expecting to start off partly cloudy, and then as we go throughout the day, we'll see clouds continue to build ahead of the next front that will be moving into the area late in the afternoon Friday into the evening, and we will see a better chance of some scattered showers and storms with this boundary as it pushes through the overnight hours. And by the time we get to the morning hours Saturday at or just before sunrise, we should see most of that activity cleared out of the area. So if we zoom out and take a look at the extended forecast as we go into our Saturday, expecting that boundary to push south of Delmarva and keep things dry for Delmarva for our Saturday and into the beginning and most of Sunday. Sunday evening, we'll see a chance of showers return to the area as we go through the overnight hours and lingering around into our Monday as well. Should see that clear out of here as we go into Monday evening and setting up for what looks to be a dry day for our Tuesday with just maybe a slight chance of a pop-up shower in the area. We'll see the heat return into the region again. Temperatures back up to near or above 90 as we go into our Tuesday as well as our Wednesday. So mainly dry with just a slight chance of some afternoon pop-up showers. But otherwise, the remainder of the week looks to be dry, and then the next better chance of a boundary will not move in until we get into the the middle to end of the weekend. That's the way things are looking at the moment. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather vision chart, main concern for today is the heat and humidity. We do have an orange for the time frame we are in right now, as well as red as we get into the afternoon, and orange after that for that risk of heat index values above 100. We do have that heat advisory again in from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. today. Do expect temperatures to get up to around the low to mid 90s, expecting a high of around 93. Winds will become a little bit gusty as we get into the afternoon. West to west-southwesterly winds, 7 to 12 knots with some gusts, maybe up to 17 or 18 knots. Nothing too significant As we get again towards that 1700 local or 5 p.m. time frame, we'll have that slight chance of a shower, about a 20 to 30% chance of a shower or thunderstorm moving through the area up until the midnight hour, and then we should see those chances diminish. As we get past the midnight hour, we'll expect some clearing in the clouds, and we'll see a low of around 77, and then things will warm up pretty quickly for our Friday with another hot and humid day. It's what we can expect. We'll have a very slight chance of some patchy fog just before sunrise in the morning, so we'll keep an eye on that. But otherwise, tides are running normal at the moment. Looking at our Friday, again, expecting a hot and humid day for our Friday as well. Starting off partly, becoming mostly cloudy as we go throughout the day. Heat index values between 98 to 103, so we could see another heat advisory for our Friday. And as that boundary moves into the area, we'll have a good chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms later in the afternoon and into the evening. And slightly breezy conditions, expecting a high of 91. So we do have the orange for precip and lightning, which is a better chance of showers and thunderstorms, and then the yellow for those reduced ceilings and visibilities. We'll have continued scattered showers and storms as we get into the evening hours for Friday with mostly cloudy to overcast conditions. Those showers and storms will become more isolated as we go through the overnight hours, and then those chances of showers will slowly start to taper off as we get towards sunrise on Saturday, expecting a low around 74. We do have the orange risk for precip and lightning, as well as the yellow for reduced visibilities and ceilings. Saturday, going to be a dry day. We'll get a break from the humidity a little bit and a little bit cooler temperatures. Starting off mostly cloudy, could see some times of partly cloudiness. Otherwise, just a warm, seasonable day with a high of around 85 and no significant weather risk for our Saturday. As we go into Sunday, we expect much of the same for our Sunday initially. Partly to mostly cloudy skies, expecting a seasonable high around 85. And again, as we get into the evening and overnight hours, we'll see those chances of showers, about a 30% chance what it's looking like at the moment, expecting a low around 72. And as we get into our Monday, we'll have a slightly better chance of some showers and storms in the area, giving it about a 40% chance. Another seasonably high day of around 85. And then as we get into Tuesday, we'll see things start to dry out. Low of 74 Monday evening, and then Tuesday, we'll see things dry out but also warm up and bring back some of that heat and humidity, expecting a partly cloudy and hot day with a high around 90. As we go into the evening, Tuesday evening, expecting a low of 75. And as we get into Wednesday, another hot day around 90. And for both of those days, we'll have that slight chance of the typical summertime afternoon pop-up shower or storm in the area. Well, that will wrap up the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow at 8:15 and 10 a.m. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day.